Hey guys, so I am back buying meme coins and I will explain you why. First of all, the crypto and Bitcoin prices are basically low. I think we will not go lower. Maybe we will go at the same levels at 75,000 in few days, few weeks. But if you're talking about meme coins are actually going back up. And my favorite meme coins to buy right now, which I will buy right now, is first of all is Ponke. Now Ponke is a meme coin on Solana, and it has went down I think like 90% from 400 million market cap right now at 40 million market cap. So if we go back up to these prices, that's 10x. Now why I am really bullish on this meme coin is because they have their own TikTok account. They are basically posting frequently, almost every day. Here you can see 4 million views, 8 million views, and these are actually funny memes. I have watched these, that's why I am a fan of this meme coin. I like that meme coins that basically are working on, they are doing something, they are not just posting tickers and some lame memes on X, on Twitter, but they are actually creating cartoons or some content that is funny. So I am obviously buying on BullX. This is invite only, but why I'm using this is because you can set your own gas fees. So you are buying before everyone else. You can basically DCA, you can auto sell, auto buy. So if it goes down by 20%, you auto sell. Or if it goes up by 2x or 100% or 200%, you can also auto sell. So you can sell while you are sleeping and make big gains. And other thing is that you can track wallets. I am tracking Ansem. I am tracking Dave Portnoy, Orangey, Capsi. So great tool. Also Twitter tracker. Soon you will be able to track specific Twitter accounts. That's why I'm using. And also you are qualifying for an airdrop. Here you can see you're basically qualifying by trading. The more you trade, the more you will get in the airdrop. I don't know when the airdrop is dropping, most likely when the markets are better. So there is no rush. But let's buy the Ponke coin. Here is the contract address. Just copy, paste here. Now, again, another thing I love about this platform is that you can set your gas fees. So imagine if there are hundreds of thousands of people buying something like Trump coin or something similar in future, and they cannot edit their gas fees on Phantom or buying with exchanges or on Jupiter, on Radium, which means that there could be so many people buying that the chain gets congested and the transactions fail. Also, you don't have to sign transactions, you don't have to sign approvals on BullX. So what you do is just set your amount that you want to buy and just buy. Of course, I will set my gas much lower, so this will go to 0. Slippage, let's put it at 2%, and this. So yeah, let's keep it at this settings, and let's just buy Ponke. And I just bought at 40 million market cap. Let's hope it goes up. I will most likely buy more if I have some funds to buy with. So yeah, that's Neo BullX. Invite only. This platform is free, and you can get my invite link is in the description if you want to join this platform. It is free. Many benefits and many features that doesn't Phantom and Jupiter doesn't have these features. So you can also see where you buy and where you sell. Really fun. So next meme coin is on Base. This is TYBG. Thank you, Base God. Only $8 million in market cap. Why I'm bullish is because here you can see Jesse Pollack is basically the founder of Base Chain, the Base blockchain. And here you can see he has been talking about and responding to TYBG like 20 plus times, even in this year, in last year. So I think there is a 99.9% chance that it will be listed on Coinbase, similar to Dogin Me, Toshi, Keyboard Cat. And here you can see Jesse Pollack. I don't think any other meme coin is as bullish as TYBG right now, because again, Jesse Pollack has been talking about TYBG for years. And again, market cap is 8 million. The all-time high for this coin is 73 million. So if it goes back only to its all-time high, it is already around 10x. If you're looking that we right now are at the biggest dip at 79,000, 78,000. Maybe we go back to 73,000, but I don't think the UIBG can go down any lower because right now it is at around 8 million. And let's see, the biggest dip was at 6.5 million. So if I lose 20% of my gains in short term, doesn't matter. I think the upside is much bigger. Now, if you're talking about dogging me, I basically sold all of my dogging me, and it went, I think, like 100 million. I sold it. I got a little bit of gains, but when you get a market crashes like these ones with the tariffs, you cannot hold anything long term. And this basically dogging me got listing on Coinbase on April 2nd when the tariff talks came out. Everyone is focused on tariffs. That's why it didn't do any gains. I think maybe 50% ups gain, which is not even 2x. That's why I basically sold everything. There is a high chance that we could go up to 100 million, but I think the biggest hype is the Coinbase listing, and they basically ruined it. I don't know who thought that it is a good time to list on April 2nd. That's why really bad. I'm lucky that I sold this before it went to 30 million. Still a quite large market cap. And I think, yeah, it most likely will go back up to maybe 100 million, but I just don't like that it is already listed. There is not any hype. And with TYBG, it is not yet even announced for the Coinbase roadmap. That's why as it gets announced, here you can see basically the dog in me. There was this insider pump, and after it was announced that it will be listed on Coinbase, it went to 60 million, 68 million. So if you bought here, you could get 6x, and I think it will be similar to TYBG. That's why I am basically all in TYBG, buying some Solana meme coins, because Solana is still the biggest meme coin blockchain. And if you talk about meme coins, here you can see the people in trenches, the professional meme coin traders are actually making money. Here you can see daily people are making tens of thousands of dollars, weekly even 100,000. And this month, in the last month, people made even $500,000, 400,000, 300,000. And you can check these people by yourself. Go on CallScan, go to leaderboard. You can even find influencers, many influencers on this website. Add to Neo, basically BullX. Again, invite is in the description. This is invite only. Everything else is free. Just the invite. You don't have to wait. You can use my invite link in the description. So yeah, if you want to learn how to be in trenches, one of the best accounts is Leans. He actually has a YouTube account, YouTube profile, where he's live streaming almost daily right now. So you can go on his YouTube, Leans, and you can just not copy trade him, and just learn from him what he's doing if you have a time to do that. I personally, I don't have time to be in meme coins 24/7. And if I had time, I would definitely do that, because many people are making so much money. So yeah, and let's buy some TYBG. So I have 0.49 Ethereum. I will spend $750 on TYBG. So yeah, I will be buying TYBG every day, little by little, because I still think we could go down, because I will show you this one, global liquidity. I hope I get this right. So there was this one guy that is basically posting about the global liquidity going up and correlating with Bitcoin, M2, Bitcoin. Okay, so here it is. This is not the same account, but this is the same chart. So here is the global liquidity chart, M2 money supply, and Bitcoin price is offset by 108 days. So Bitcoin is lagging right here. You can see that global liquidity is actually much higher than it was when we hit all-time high for Bitcoin around 106,000. And right now global liquidity is up here, which means that Bitcoin could go up to 120, 128,000 in July, August, which will be insane because in summer, I have never seen all-time highs in summer. But looking at the fact that crypto is, USA is really friendly for crypto, and we should see a Bitcoin to 250,000. Maybe we will see new all-time highs in summer and even bigger upside, bigger pumps in winter and autumn from September to December. I think 2026 will be full-blown bull market. I think this is similar to 2020 when the global liquidity, maybe even Fed cut rates, maybe there will be some money printing because of the tariffs and the China and USA trade wars. But here you can see this was the big dip that we just experienced and we bounced back. Maybe we will even bounce back higher. And here you can see we will go sideways. Based on this chart, we will go sideways for a few days. Then we will go back to the same levels, and then we have the biggest, really big pumps. And this basically will go through the whole April, as you can see here. And on the May 1st, we will start to go up, pump significantly. And we are on at April 8th right now, so 20 more days. There will be some basically stagnation, some little pumps to 82,000. That's what this chart says, and I'm following this chart closely. Maybe the tariff talk, the China and USA war will escalate and will go back down. Then everything will go back to normal as it always does. And based on this chart, we will see new all-time highs. That's why this is the last month, in my opinion, and this video is not a financial advice. This is the last month to buy meme coins, to buy coins that you like, that you think will go up in value. So yeah, I will buy some meme coins on Solana. I will be buying DYBG on Base because it is not, there has not been the announcement that it will be listed on Coinbase. Maybe on purpose, they are waiting for the best time. And that's why I'm waiting for as well. If this coin, for some reason, goes to 1 billion, which is achievable if they basically announce the coin in mid-April and it gets listing in May and Bitcoin starts going up, it will be insane. I hope for times like this, and it will most definitely go to 1 billion in my opinion. So if you put $100 in this right now, for example, and it goes to 100 million, you get 1,000. And if it goes to 1 billion, you get 10,000 from a $100 investment. That's my hope. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for better markets. But yes, still, this is the great opportunity. The volatility of Bitcoin is the biggest opportunity that we have. Gold doesn't fluctuate like this. That's why crypto is so fun. And you can make so much money if you follow the trends, if you follow what's happening in the macroeconomics. So yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.